How to find your hotspot password on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can find our hotspot password on our Android device. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can find your hotspot password, it is very easy. First of all, open up your device. After that, you just need to head over to the main settings of the device. And then you're going to look up for the option called connections here. Just head over to the connection section and you'll be finding the different options here, including the option called mobile hotspot and tethering. Just click on it and you'll be finding this mobile hotspot section. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you'll be finding your password here, including your network name. So if you turn on your mobile hotspot and if you want to share it to any of your friends, you just need to they just need to click on your network name. After that, enter the password on your device that is available. You can see your password right here below your network name. Just share it with your friends or other people that you want to share your network with, and that's how you basically find a password of your mobile hotspot onto your device very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.